Hey, it's Annie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share a fail with you. It's a review on a product, but I'm making it work for me and it may work for you. So let's get into the video. Really quickly, I'm filming different videos, so that's why all my makeup isn't finished, but you'll see the end results with a lot of stuff in other videos, so just know, okay? Anyways, so I'm going to shut up and get into it. So this is from Grande Brow. This is their laminate. And here's the thing. Not everybody can do laminate brows. I really can't just use this and then just go, and you're going to see in a minute because I'm going to show you. But if you want to create kind of more of a fluffier brow and you want to use something like this and you want your brows to stay in place a little bit more, then I would recommend it. I'm going to show you how to do that. But just on its own, honey, I can't do it. I'm going to show you. It just is like, no. Okay. So again, this is what it looks like. By the way, this has peptides in it too. One of the things that I love about this brand, and I'm going to show you a couple things really quickly that I love about this brand, is that they have good like skincare things that are going to help your brows and your lashes. Okay, so this is the brow serum that I use, and you can see what my brows look like without anything on it. I've got nothing on. Let me at least comb them for you. It's like showing you messy hair. Okay, so that's what my brows look like, which I think look pretty damn good, because if you've been following me for a while, my brows didn't look that good a couple of years ago. And I've used a lot of different brow serums, and I love this. I love this brow gel. It actually works for me. And then their lash, I love their lash serum. I've used lash serums that will work for me a little bit and then stop. And then I've had lash serums too, where especially on this eye, like I would grow lashes and then they would shed and then I'd have like a bare spot there. I don't have that with this because I'm continually growing hairs. They're just growing it. I don't have that period where, oh, and then there's nothing. It's continually grows. Okay, so I love this as well. Let me show you how to use this. I just have to share that. Oh, and one more thing is this one too. Okay, this is there, and I am wearing it on this brow too. So we're going to talk about it. This is the Grande Brow in 2-in-1. So it's a serum and then it's a gel. Basically, is what it is, and this is what it looks like. And I am wearing the color. I think it's color light. I believe I have. Yes, I'm wearing the color light. Love this. Love this. When you use it, you want to make sure that you kind of scrape off the some of the product on here, because you do get a lot of product on there. So just want to give you FYI on that. So some of the things you're going to need for this is you're going to need this. This is also from Grande Brow. And by the way, all these were gifted to me in PR. Okay. You're going to need this. They do have tweezers. I don't like them. I don't like their tweezers at all. They just don't work for me. And I pinched my eye right here, not with theirs, with these crappy ones from Cricut, because I didn't bring my, the tweezers I like are from Tweezerman, and I have those in my bathroom, but I have these in here, and I bought them years ago, and they're from Cricut, and they suck, because this is what happened. I pinched my, I feel like I can't like grip my hairs at all with the Grande ones. I don't know what it is, but I sadly don't like them. But this I love, and this is again from Grande. So you have this little spoolie on one end, and then you have this tiny little flat brush. Okay, you're going to use both of them. I've seen people doing this, and I feel like you have to use both sides, and I haven't seen people do that. Okay, and then I also have these scissors. And these are wonderful, and you're going to need these, and you're going to see why. So first what you want to do is you want to take the gel here. You don't want to get too much, and just kind of tapping it in there and just getting a little bit on, okay? I'm going to wipe a little bit off. You'll see. Then I need to get another mirror so I can see close up, and so you guys can see too. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to go up with it. I'm going to brush this on my hairs. Like that. Then I'm going to go this way with it, and then I'm going to go down. I know you're like, what are you doing? I want to really coat my brows with this, okay? And then we're going to go back up because that's how we want it to be. And you're going to see why this is not meant for everybody. I look like there's something wrong with me. Okay, it just doesn't look good at all. Then what I want to do is I want to just take this and just kind of flatten it. We're going to do this quite a bit with this. But you can see already, see how it's getting flat? And this is where the scissors come in. If you have any that are just a little bit too long, you're just going to want to get the tips of them off a little bit, okay? But my ears don't lay flat either. They don't lay totally flat. And so this just doesn't work for everyone, and it just looks uneven. It looks like, what's wrong with my brows? Like if you saw me, you'd be like, what the hell's wrong with her brows? You know? Okay, so now we're going to take Charlotte Tilbury I Cheat. And I need to, first I want to get a little bit of definition down here. Okay. And then we're going to bring that definition up here. I'm just making little strokes. And then I'm going to start making strokes up. And I can never get the hair stroke. So basically I'm just filling this in. But you see how I got to get this other, because they're straight there. But that's how my brows are. So I'm just going to fill this in. So this takes a little bit more time if you have to do what I'm doing. Unless you're really fortunate and you have really thick brows. I've seen people do this and it looks amazing, but it's just not something that everybody can do. So don't be frustrated if you are one of those people. But I think it's still a nice product, because I feel like if you want your brows to really stay in place, this is really nice. And you can see those fell a little bit already. But it still looks, I feel like they look fuller. So anyways, you get the idea of where I'm going there. See, already it's looking good, right? Then I'm going to take this stuff. This is the Grande Brow 2-in-1. And then I'm going to start to apply that real lightly to my brows. See how that filled it in? So it's not really laminated, okay? When I do it, it's not, but I can't do it like that because it looks ridiculous. If you have the right brows, you can do it. If you don't, you can't. And I just wanted to be 100% honest with you. So this is my final look. So I don't think this is going to work for everybody. As far as if it's something that you think you're just going to put on your brows and go, it's just not going to work for everybody. I think if you have, like I just have finer brows, okay? You could see what they look like. I looked ridiculous. But I can make this work, okay, if I do what I shared with you guys, okay? So I feel like it's like a little bit stronger than a gel would be in keeping them in place. And I can even do it without adding that Grande Brow Gel 2-in-1. I could do it just with, putting this on, filling it in with a little bit of pencil, putting this on, and it'll help to keep your brows in place. So for that, I like it. But if you're thinking that you're going to just be able to just do a laminate brow, I don't know if it's going to work for you. I really don't. It depends on the brows. And even if you have really thick brows, it doesn't always work for everybody. I saw somebody do this and she didn't trim it, because that's important. You've got to make sure that you're trimming it too. She looked like she had 2 ginormous caterpillars above her eyes. And hey, if that's what you want, if that's your look and you're happy with it, I don't care. I'm not making judgment here, okay? But I don't want to have 2 little caterpillars above my eyes, okay? So you want to make sure that if you're using, you have thicker brows, you want to make sure that you're trimming it really good, okay? But I like the product, but I just have to be honest, it's just not going to work for everybody. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are new here, I would love to have you join. Just hit that subscribe button. It's free. I share new videos every single week, and I would truly appreciate your support. If you've already subscribed to me, thank you. Thank you so much for your continued support. I truly appreciate every single one of you. Please always make sure to show that support to by liking, sharing, and commenting my videos so they get pushed out to the algorithm so I can help more ladies. So thank you guys so much for joining me again, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.